What's up, guys? It's I Souls back with part 2 of my video for the restoration of the Great Fives and the Wolf Greys. So I'm gonna give you a detailed process of this video. Not too detailed, but I don't want to go too in depth, but it'll show you a general idea of how I restore the sneakers. So basically, I'm gonna give you a materials list. To clean the whole shoe, basically, I've been using the Angelus Easy Cleaner. This actually does work really well. Clean suede, leather, buck, rubber, you name it. It's, all that good stuff. To remove scuffs, I do use nail polish remover with the Q-tip. I just dap it up and I press against the sneaker on a scuff I see or something like that. Gets rid of it all good. So that's that. And to make the soles clean again, I use Sole Bright by Angelus. You can see right here, yellow sole, and then it's a clean sole. So I'll show you the process of that tomorrow. Unfortunately, it's raining right now, so it's been raining for the past 2 days. But yeah, here in the East Coast. And to paint, use the Leather Preparer and the Glazer by Angelus. Put this on before painting. We gotta prep up the shoe. And then I did buy the grape kit on Angelus, so you guys can see right here. Grape collector's edition, grape 5, paint, leather paint, emerald 5, and then flat white. I already had the black paint for a while, so you can see it's a bigger container, but that's that. And finally, to clean suede, nubuck, that kind of stuff. I went to my local CVS and I bought this suede and nubuck cleaning kit. Comes with an eraser and a brush. This cost me $5. That beats some websites I've seen that charge you maybe like $20, $25. On top of that, you got to pay shipping. I'm going to give this a try and see how it works out, guys. So I also did get a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I do use this on white sneakers. It does work. It almost works as well as those wipes that you guys see on YouTube. YouTube. Those sneaker heads, they restore their sneakers with that wipe that you guys see. So this works just as good, a magic eraser, to clean up the whiteness. So that's that. And then let me show you my Wolf Greys. I didn't touch this pair right here. I've touched this pair. You guys noticed a difference right away. This pair is dirtier. I used the Easy Cleaner with a toothbrush, and I went around the whole sneaker. Let me give you a comparison real quick. As you guys see, it got darker, but it's also lost its suede feel. Not suede feel, but see how I can like put my fingers and draw against that? Well, for this, look at that. It's gone. Where'd it go? It's not there. So don't worry about that. I'm still working on it. I'm gonna use this. Let me show you a quick demonstration. The eraser, I've already tried it on this part. I just lightly went against it, get the eraser real quick, lightly go over it. It's literally like an eraser. And give me a second, show you that. Just go over it lightly. And then you just get your brush, go over it with your brush, and then it like comes back. The suede feeling doesn't come back necessarily, but at least it looks like it was originally. See that? Like I can see that. See the difference in the suede. It's all you got to do. It works well. Let me give you. I'm gonna do it around the whole shoe, so bear with me. So I basically went over the whole shoe with the eraser. And then, literally it's an eraser, so it will leave eraser dust around the whole shoe. You guys can see like all that. That's all eraser dust that can come off very easy. Look at that. Just pat. I was just feeling a little lazy. See all that eraser dust falling off. Or you can get a rag or the brush. Use what you feel you want to use. But look at that. So I use the eraser. I'll get rid of that out of the netting real quick. From the inside, but look at this. Like you see that? It's like it came back like the suede, like you mess with it and you leave your fingerprints or whatever. See that? Like, remember when it went away right here? barely see my legs, not the best, but I see all of that. See that? Like, it comes back, and the suede is on point now, you know? Doesn't feel like you messed up anymore. Like at first I was like, oh man, I messed these up. Nah, did not turn out that way. See that? Look at that. That's pretty good. Save yourself the money. Get yourself the kit from CVS. Suede nubuck kit. $5. Don't spend that extra 20. But yeah, it's nice, you know. Like, why wouldn't you want to get it? Like, you see that? It comes back. Like, trying to help you guys out, save money, clean shoes, you know, make them fresh. And that's that. And look at the bottom soles. That's one. I just went over it with regular easy cleaner and soap and water. And then if you want to see the other one, it's pretty bad. Look at that. That's terrible. Compare and contrast. I have a photo on Instagram. You guys want to see the before and after. So that's that. And all I really have to do is just paint these shoes and ice out the bottoms. You know, it's not that difficult. What I'm really going to do is just apply the Sole Bright onto the sneaker, put saran wrap on top of the shoe. You know, just place the saran wrap like that, you know, saran wrap on the counter, and then place a shoe, wrap up the shoe, protect the suede, put it against the sun. You know, you got to have multiple sessions so it'll get icy again. And that's that, guys, on both pairs. I will have finished photos on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram at ieatsoles_. So you guys can see the very finished product. That'll be including bottom soles and all that paint, the paint job, and all these items right here. I will put them in the link below so you could purchase them if you want. Again, I'm trying to save you money on the brush and the eraser for suede and nubuck. $5 plus tax, but 5 buckaroos, guys. It's a steal compared to other websites. You know, again, they're going 20, 25 bucks. Plus shipping, maybe 30, 35, who knows, but I'm saving you guys money. You can buy them at CVS online as well. And quickly, these on the eyelids, see how they're yellowed? I will go over it with my Angelus Easy Cleaner to make them white again, or just paint over it. The laces that I did take off, I'm debating whether just to buy new laces is only, what, $3 or $4 from lacelab.com. We'll go to CVS again. They do sell new laces for like $2 or $3. But right now what I'm doing is I took them off, the laces, and I put them in a container, you know, put bleach in them and soap and scrubbing them off, doing it the old traditional way. So that's that. Lace locks, just go over with the rag and brush. But yeah, guys, to see the very finished product for both the Great 5s and the Wolf Grays, that'll be on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at ieatsoles_. To see the very finished product, like these boys are gonna be bad. I'll show you the bottom soles as well, okay? So follow me on Instagram again, ieatsoles_. Add me on Snapchat at ieatsoles. Follow me on Twitter at ieatsoles. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up on this video. Show your friends that have Wolf Grays that are afraid to clean them, to try out my method. So that's that, guys. I'm out. Peace. Sorry, guys. I just couldn't help myself, but I'm just amazed at how these turned out with the eraser. Look at that. This is the pair that I cleaned. Let's just look at this. The suede did come back. Look at that. I'm just drawing all over the shoe. Like, I like this. It's like the way it turned out. This is the pair I need to work on. It even feels better than this one. It's crazy. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm out for real this time. Peace.